We are at an Indian store in Tampa, and you'll be surprised to see how we have an entire Indian grocery available here in the US. Let me show you what all stuff we can buy in this Indian store. We have items right from Indian snacks to frozen food. If you're not in the mood to cook, you can always fry frozen samosas. We also have Indian vegetables available here. Vegetables look really green and fresh and ready to be cooked for a delicious meal. If you're a student, you get 5% discount whenever you come here. Otherwise, you get 10% discount on Monday purchase. This is something I have to buy every week. Parathas and rotis, I really cannot cook it from the scratch. You don't, and there's a big fuss that you don't get Indian cookers in US and then you carry that on flight. So that's not true. We have cookers, all the other Indian utensils that you would need for cooking Indian food. And then Maggi Man, Maggi banned. Although it was banned in India, we could still eat Maggi here in US. And all those dramatic advertisements that we've seen about Ashirwad Atta and then Indian Basmati rice you can have there. Also, there's a massive sale during festivals, during Ramzan, Holi, and a big sale during Diwali. And this is the second grocery store, Indian grocery store that we have in Tampa. The name is Patel Brothers, and as you know, Patel is a very popular name in itself, and I'm not saying anything further. In this store, outside you can see there are so many Indian snacks. Let me take you to a tour inside. We have all kinds of Indian fruits available, right from apples or anything that you find on Indian street and Indian grocery store. And you can also look at the vegetables. So you actually don't have to think about not being able to eat Indian food. You can definitely cook Indian food with all the vegetables that are available here. These are all the Indian snacks that we definitely crave for and is definitely not available in stores like Walmart or Target. Look at the banana chips, they are so tempting. This section actually makes me go nostalgic. I am someone who loves to munch on biscuits, especially during exams. And exam reminds me of eating ready-to-eat food. Who has the time to cook so much when you have to study so much here? So we have Indian ready-to-eat food as well. And look at this. I had thought I would have to actually survive on olive oil, but I have ghee. Especially I love to add ghee to the dal that I drink. This is something that I'm going to take home today. It's sandalwood powder, and tomorrow is Onam. My roommate is a Malu, so we are celebrating Onam, and we want to grab some gajra and wear some sari and put sandalwood on the forehead, so all that drama. I am standing next to the owner of Patel Brothers, Mohan Purohit, and he's so generous that he gives 5% discount to USF students on their bill. Go Bulls!